Hey, what's up guys? I'm back at you with another video. This one's gonna be a little bit shorter, but it's gonna be just as cool. Today, I'm gonna be installing a double bubble windscreen on my CBR600 F4i. This thing is gonna look so cool when it's done, guys, I promise you. Now, I got a special way that I'm gonna do this, so please take notes if you wanna do this yourself. Might make it a little bit easier for you. All right, let's get to the install. Alright, so here are the tools that you're going to need to do this project. Really simple, guys. All you need is a ratchet and a 3mm hex bit. And that's it. If you so choose, you can use a impact gun. I think this makes it a lot easier. But other than that, that's all you need. So let's get to it. So here's the stock windscreen that comes on the CBR600 F4i. Now, as you can see, there are 6 3mm hex bit bolts that are holding this windscreen to the fairing. So the first thing we're going to do is remove those. Alright, once you've removed the 6 3mm hex bit bolts, you can now gently slide out your old windscreen. And look at that. It's all the way out. Alright, now that you have your old windscreen out, the next step is we need to take these little rubber grommets that are on the inside of the old windscreen. We need to transfer these to the new windscreen. So we're going to gently remove these from the old one and put them on the new one. Now what these do is they hold on to the bolts that we just removed. Without these, it won't work. So we have to do this. Okay, so after messing with this for a little bit, I found an easy way to move these grommets into the new windscreen. So the technique that I've found out that works the best is if you take this and pinch these little flaps over and pinch the top and stick it through sideways in the hole, then you should be able to get everything pushed through. It's going to take a little bit of effort, but I think this is the best way to do it. So let's get back to transferring these over, and then we can put it on the bike. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you liked this install video and you like how I put things together, please give this video a like and subscribe please, it really helps me out. And you'll be able to see more later on. But hey, at the end of this install, this bike looks awesome. I love this new windscreen. I cannot wait to see how it is on the road. But anyway guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.